Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will explain the complete Netgear Nighthawk RAX10 setup using the official Nighthawk app. If you're looking for the best router that delivers faster and stronger Wi-Fi for your home, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Netgear Nighthawk RAX10 4-stream AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 router is a high-speed dual-band router that delivers faster and stronger Wi-Fi for your home. It supports the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology. This video covers the full mobile app setup process. So let's start the setup process. Firstly, we will unbox the router box. Inside the Netgear Nighthawk RAX10 router box, you'll find the RAX10 Wi-Fi 6 router, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. Everything you need to set up and connect your router right out of the box. Now turn off your modem for about 30 seconds. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into your modem. Plug the other end of that cable into the Internet, yellow, port on your RAX10 router. Plug in the router's power adapter and turn it on. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes until the power light turns solid white, that means it's ready. On your phone, go to Settings Wi-Fi. Find your router's default Wi-Fi name, SSID. It's printed on the label under the router, example, Netgear RAX10. Select it and enter the default Wi-Fi password, also printed on the label. Stay connected, don't switch to mobile data during setup. On your smartphone, go to the Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iPhone. Search for Netgear Nighthawk and install the app. Once installed, open the app, you'll use it to finish the setup. Launch the Nighthawk app. Log in with your Netgear account, or create one if you don't have it. Open the Nighthawk app on your phone. Tap Set up a new router or new setup. The app will search for your router. You might see an option to scan a QR code on the router label. Scan it to auto-connect. Once the app finds your router, tap Continue. The app will check your internet connection automatically. If it asks, choose Yes to detect settings. If your internet provider, ISP, requires a username and password, PPPoE, enter them here. When connected successfully, the app will show Internet connected. The app will ask you to set up your Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Type any name you like, for example, home_network or my Wi-Fi 6. Create a strong password, use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Save it carefully, you'll need it to connect all your devices later. The app will now ask you to create an admin password. This is for logging into the router settings, not Wi-Fi. Make it different from your Wi-Fi password. Write it down or save it securely. The app will ask you to sign in or create a MyNetgear account. This lets you manage your router remotely and get updates easily. Use your email address and set a password to register. The router will apply all your settings and then restart automatically. Wait for a few minutes until the LED lights turn solid again. After reboot, connect your phone to your new Wi-Fi name you created in Step 7. Open the Nighthawk app dashboard. Tap Settings Router Settings Firmware Update. Select Check for updates and install if available. This keeps your router secure and running smoothly. Your Netgear Nighthawk RAX10 router is now fully set up and ready. You can manage, restart, or check your Wi-Fi anytime using the Nighthawk app. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe devices help and support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.